Hello, friends. I hope everyone is doing well, taking care of yourselves. Today is February 16, 2022. And yes, I'm out and I'm gonna go and get my mom some food. The weather is lovely. I'm enjoying myself. Hope you're enjoying yourself too. And are happy, taking care of your loved ones, and everything is going great in your life. So right now, as you can see, I'm stuck in traffic, and I'm gonna go pick up some food for my mom. She's gonna really be happy with that, and I know she appreciates it. She has one of those great hearts that appreciate, the little things. She knows the effort that others make, and she's grateful for it, and I'm grateful for her. So I found this thing outside my mother's door. It's just a box, and it had this emergency system. That black button right there, she can press it, and the ambulance will come, and the fire department. So this is a good thing to have. And I'm going to go back home, but let me tell you a little bit about this thing. That machine you saw, right? You press it, and it gives the alarm. It's like a sounding alarm, and it goes straight to the like an operator, which connects her to the services that she needs, the emergency services. So that's pretty good. All right, guys. Hope you have a good night. Take care of yourselves and your loved ones, and make sure you tell them you love them. Take care.